Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you what to do if your wheelchair start beeping like this. And you will also see the lights are in a different way. There is one red light and there are two green lights. This wheelchair makes this type of sound in two types of scenario. First scenario, where you want to push this wheelchair by switching it from electric to manual mode, but you forgot to turn off the wheelchair, which is the common mistake. Second scenario is where you want to use this wheelchair in electric mode, but you forgot to switch it from manual to electric. When you turn on the wheelchair, it will start making the beep sound. In these types of scenario, all you need to do is turn off the wheelchair, then switch the wheelchair into your preferred mode and then turn it on again. Now let's talk about scenario 1. I'm using this wheelchair in electric mode. Now I want to push this wheelchair. But my mistake is I forgot to turn off the wheelchair and I click the levers. This wheelchair will make sound. All you need to do is turn off the wheelchair, then push it. Second scenario, where I want to use this wheelchair in electric mode, but I forgot to switch it from manual to electric. All I did was sit into the wheelchair, turn it on, the wheelchair starts making the sound. And as you can see, I'm not able to operate it. All you need to do is turn off the wheelchair, go behind the wheels and switch it into electric mode. Now I come back again, turn on the wheelchair and it resolves the problem and I can use it now.